Hi everyone. So basically on my channel and on the Instasmile video that I did when I first got my Instasmile, they came in this box, as I showed everyone, with a mirror. These are the veneers. Closer look. That's what they look like. And that is the top one. This one is the bottom one. And for me, I would have preferred if this bit had have been made into grooves. If you look, see how that one's got grooves and that one's just a straight line. I'd have preferred if that had been done like that one. But yeah, I've got used to talking in them now. They're not as bright as when I first got them. When I first got them, they were so bright. It was like putting this in my mouth. But if you look, they're not as bright as that now. But yeah, I do drink in them and stuff, and I have had food in them. I've not had like big meals or anything. But you can eat like chips and stuff, or beans on toast, things like that. So yeah, I didn't actually think in my last video that you'd be able to eat in them, but you can. And I have noticed when you have a drink, so like when these have been in your mouth and then you get a drink from the fridge and it's cold, you can feel them like they like expand and move a bit tighter onto your teeth, which you don't really feel them. At first, when I first put these in, my teeth ached a little bit, but after the first week, they just, they felt natural, and people were just saying how good your teeth were. And yeah, I wouldn't regret buying them now. At first, when I first saw how white they was, I thought, oh my god, too bright, everyone's gonna laugh at me. But yeah, since then I've been on nights out and everyone's loved them. So if you put them together, it just looks like a set of teeth. Looks really funny actually. But yeah, so this is without. My teeth aren't that bad actually. I just got a few fillings at the front. And my teeth are quite small as well. So what I'll do is I'll put the top one in first, and it just basically clips in like I showed you in my last video. That's it. That's in that one. And then the bottom one. Yep. So yeah, I've got used to them now. I can talk in them. When I go out and everything, I'm like, hi. Yeah, so I do love them. People, I keep seeing comment on Instasmile videos, like, where people have ordered, what are they called? Press On Veneers. They basically, they're not even the same thing that you order. The ones that Instasmile do are not the ones that are like got gums attached. If you look, it's just the teeth part. But online there's an advert, and I don't know what it's called, but it's not Instasmile. And basically it's like a piece of plastic or rubber that you put in a hot cup, and you stick it on your teeth, and yeah, they do look ridiculous. And I've noticed some companies have been using like Instasmile's pictures as well. There's also a few negative reviews, but I think a lot of the ones that are negative are from people that have tried to get money back so that they get the teeth for free. Because I know people that have had these are classic ones. Look at that gum line. They basically look like real teeth anyway. And I know people that have had these for like 2-3 years. They're classic ones. You can get platinum ones which last a lot longer. Mine are perfect. They've not cracked. They've not melted when I've had hot drinks. I've not kissed anyone in them yet. But I'm recently single after 10 years, so maybe I might try it, see what it's like. But yeah, I do like them. I love them. I more than love them actually. Yeah, they are like a Hollywood white, the only way is Essex kind of look. But yeah, I'm so glad I got them. Mine was $375 for top and bottom. But since I got mine, they've had a flash sale on, which was a 30% off. Then they had a 20% off. They're always doing like discounts and stuff. Yeah, but if you need any information, just message me. You can message me through Instagram at freeatlast28, Facebook page freeatlast28. You can follow me on all my social media and I will tell you the truth. Ignore all these scam companies and definitely ignore people that are saying Instasmile is a scam, because it isn't. I don't get paid for this video. This literally comes out of my own money which I saved for, and I definitely will get some more what look a bit more natural. Like, they're very white, but yeah. And I've got friends, as I said, that have had them for years, so yeah, thank you Instasmile. Sorry it was a very long video, but thanks for watching, and don't forget, click subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.